everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel. On my channel, I like doing unboxing and try-on videos from clothing subscription services. So if you are new to my channel and you like those kind of videos, I would love for you to consider subscribing down below, and I would love to have you join me. And for my returning subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now, I am excited because today I got my new Nadine West package in the mail, and I can't wait to get straight into it with you guys. But before I do, let me give you the quick little rundown of what Nadine West is for those of you who don't know. She is one of the more economical styling services out there. It only costs $9.78 in shipping for her to send you usually 4 to 6 items. And you receive them in the mail, and you have 3 to 5 days, I believe, to try everything on in the comfort of your own home. You only pay for what you keep and you send back the rest. And every time you do it, she gets to know your style a little bit more, and she gets a little bit better. And she's really been sending me some great stuff lately, so I'm really enjoying her service right now. For those of you who've never tried it before, I will leave a link down below, and I believe you will get, if you've never tried it, you get to try it for your first time for free. I think it's $9.78 free shipping. You'll get free shipping, and she'll give you a $10 credit. Now, if I'm wrong about that, I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure you can try it for free and you'll get a $10 credit. And if you use my link, I'll get a credit too. So all the information will be down in the description box. Okay, so with all that said, let's get straight into the try-on and see what she sent me this month. Okay guys, I am back. I've tried everything on, and I can't wait to go over everything with you. But the funny part about that is I've already done this once. Yes, I am now part of, I've seen other YouTubers do this. Say they recorded their whole video, their whole thing, and then they go to find out that they never hit the record button. I am now officially a part of that club. I did not hit the record button, guys. I went to go edit the video and I'm like, where's my video? And I'm like, oh, now I gotta go back and do it all over again. All right, so part 2. Let's get straight into it, guys. Altogether, I received 6 items, and there were 2 jewelry pieces and 4 items of clothing. So we will start with the jewelry pieces, and I was wearing them with my outfits, but as I describe them here, I'm just going to insert a picture so you guys could get a better view of it. But you will see me wearing the jewelry pieces when I have the outfits on too. Okay, so I don't know which side of the screen it's going to be on, but I will insert the picture. The first one is a bracelet, and it is the MINA silver bracelet, and it was $9.99. Now, they were 3 separate bracelets all together, and they were all individual. They were not together. I think one was hearts, and another one was like an infinity sign, and then I forget what the third one was. But yeah, all 3 bracelets, they are adjustable for different size wrist. Overall, cute bracelet. I'll consider keeping those. I would like to know your opinion. And then the second jewelry piece was a very lovely necklace. It was called the Be Inspired silver necklace for $27.99. And I tried to take a picture, and as you can see, it says the word says "Be Brave" with arrows going through it. So I love the message. I love the necklace. Just I didn't love the price for what it was, $27.99. That seems a little high to me. But a very cute necklace. Okay, so now's the fun part. Let's get into the outfits. I'm telling you guys, she put together 2 complete looks for me. The first look, okay, I just can't wait to get into this. This first look, she wants me to hit the night out on the town with the girls. I'm like, if this outfit doesn't say, hey, let's go out dancing and tear this town up, I don't know what does. So I styled it accordingly with some nude heels to try to like stay true to what I felt the vibe of the outfit was. personally for me, them days are behind me. I'm an old married lady. The days of hitting the town partying is over. But I thought it was a kind of a cute outfit, like especially if them days are still in your days. Hey, call Nadine West, you know, this is kind of like a cute outfit. I can't wait to show my husband and see what he thinks, so I'll know more. But let me go into the details before I go any further. The top was a Jeanne black top for $23.49, and that was by Hearts and Hips in a size medium. And then the skirt was this leopard print skirt, as I'm sure you guys are seeing in the video. I'm already going there. It is a satin animal print skirt in a brown for $11.99. I like that price, guys. And I was not mad about the skirt. Like, it felt very wild, like the way I styled it, right? I would never wear that in real life from my lifestyle. But I want your opinion about this, because I thought the skirt had possibilities that it could be classy too. Like, I was thinking, like, if I put a turtleneck on, like in the winter, put a nice thick chunky turtleneck and then put that with some tights and some boots, like that would almost make it look classy and not like a night out on the town, like, you know, like the look that I styled it as. Do you guys think that would be possible? Do you guys think that would be a classy look? Because I like the skirt, so your opinion is going to help me determine whether I'm actually going to buy it, because it's $11.99. I mean, that's a really good deal, and I feel like if I could style it that it would fit my lifestyle, then I'm probably going to keep it. So please let me know what you guys thought of the skirt, and if it had possibilities of being styled a different way and it would give a completely different look. But if you're young and you're hitting the night out on town, girls, call Nadine West up, because I think she put together a very sexy, cute outfit. Okay, she really gave me two looks, guys. Okay, this first top is this baseball jersey, and this was let's see, the Jeanne off-white navy stripe baseball tee for $24.49. Overall, a lovely shirt. It was a little snug on me. I wish it would have been a little bit bigger, because it, like right here, like, see how this is like, it's the same style of shirt, but I have a lot of extra room. Where this one, I love the baseball style of it. I really like, 2 thumbs up on the style. I love the stripes. But it was too tight, and you know, you could even see like where the pant line was. So I didn't care for it for that reason, but it definitely created quite a look. So I wish she would have like sized up on this one a little bit better. And then the slacks. Now, with Nadine West, I told her that I'm one of the rare creatures in this world that do not enjoy leggings. I will wear them occasionally, and if I do, they're black, and it would be like with a, you know, long, chunky sweater with some boots or something like that. But basically, overall, if I wear leggings, it's to work out, and that's pretty much it. So she always listened to me. She always sends leggings. She's very famous for her leggings. If you like leggings, definitely want to get a Nadine West package in the mail. But for me, I'm just telling you my style. So she sent me an actual pair of slacks, and I kind of liked them, but I really don't know. I'm gonna have to look back at the video, because there were parts, like when I turned around, I felt like maybe they gathered at the back of my leg, and it wasn't the most flattering look. So I don't know. I'm gonna listen to your guys' opinion again, and please be kind if they didn't look quite as right. From the front, I was liking them. They do actually, they have these little clips right here, and it has a real zipper, and it's from the company Daz. And they have pockets, and overall I thought they were a very nice pair of slacks. Like, I feel like, okay, if you take the baseball tee away, you could also style that maybe a different way, like more like with a silky shirt and then some like boots. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch the video like I told you guys and I'm gonna have to see if they weren't flattering, because at certain parts I liked it. Like I said, I don't want to repeat myself, but then when I turned around, I felt it wasn't flattering. So this is a very iffy bag for me. And your opinions are going to help me really decide on what to keep. The black shirt, I have 100 of those, so I'm probably not going to keep that one. But the leopard print, animal print skirt, I liked it, but I don't know if I could style it where it would fit my lifestyle. So what do you guys think? And the baseball tee I felt was just too tight, right? Like I told you, like right here on my body. So I'm probably not going to keep that. So the other one I would need your opinion would be about the pants. So the skirt and the pants. Please leave me your opinion. Be kind, but give me your opinion. I would love to hear it. And yeah, that's it. If you are liking my videos, please hit the like button. That really helps me. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope I recorded this time, because I don't want to have to record this video 3 times. All right, guys, until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.